Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about changing spark plugs on a MK6 GTI. Real quick video just to help you get through it. I know this is some relatively easy maintenance, so I just want to go ahead and show you guys how easy it is step by step and enjoy. First thing you want to do, obviously, pop the hood. Grab this bad boy. Engine cover. Pop them off, four corners. Set it somewhere. Pop each of these little points off of the coil packs. Oops. Just be turn them over. Yeah, turn them over a little bit. A little bit of residue. Oh my God. That's what's supposed to happen. Your coils might be way easier to undo because oh my gosh. We're in there. All of them out. Cool. Take a look in there. Just do a quick check. Awesome. 5/8 spark socket with an extension so you can get all the way down there. And all you're going to do, stick her on down there, get her locked in, and then loosen her up. So I'm having troubles getting the spark plug actually out of the socket because this is not magnetic like it should be, but that's okay. So I have a little fish grabbies that I know I had. I'm just gonna go in there, grab it. Oh, look at that, boy. So this was clearly a really good idea to change spark plugs because these plugs are done. You can get Iridium spark plugs or double platinum. Those are really good. They'll work just great. You don't need to buy the most expensive ones out there because they all last the same except for the stupid cheap ones. I'm gonna set mine back in there. There we go. Grab my toy. Go the opposite way, make sure it's going in correctly. First one done, pretty easy. Tighten them up to where you start to feel it tight, and then just enough to feel it tight. And then right when you get to a part where it stops, that's it. That's good. Maybe just give it a little nudge, see if it goes. If not, done and set. You're gonna do that for all four. You can watch me do it again, so you can see me do it, and then I will see you once they're all done. Last but not least, you grab your coils and you just put them all back in as they were, and you just shove them down. Make sure they're lined up. And then after you slide these bad boys back in, make sure they're all the way clipped. And just give her quick tugs and pushes. After that, grab your cover. If you like what you see, subscribe, give me a like, comment, and I will see you guys on the next video. See ya.